palm oil prices, all of these are coming off, is helping on margins. So both these names, Lever and Asian Paints, right now, when the market is at days low, these stocks are at days high. Let's ask Nimesh what he has picked up from D Street Chatter or from the dealing rooms. Nimesh, hi, good afternoon.
Hi, afternoon, Anuj. So, again, the feedback is there's huge volatility, and that was expected as well because of the expiry this week. Again, a day when there is massive selling in the financial names, so that's the big sector which is dragging the Nifty down. On the other side, a bit of defensive buying. So, IT, pharma, and FMCG, these are the three sectors which are well bid by the large institutions. So, it's going to be a mixed day in terms of FI flows, though on the negative side. But the relentless selling in the financials is matched by some bit of defensive buying. Again, tomorrow will be a big day in terms of the RBI policy. That will be closely monitored, and that will have an impact on the financial names as well. Technically, the feedback is on the downside. The next level to watch is 16,640. That's a crucial support level for the Nifty. If that's taken out, then probably we'll see a big sell-off. But I guess till then, there is a feedback that maybe that's one support level which will the bulls will like to defend on. So that's on the technical side. Overall, again, on a weekday, huge volatility. But the feedback is while the selling in financials continue, a bit of defensive is what matching up in terms of buying in the likes of IT, technology and FMCG stocks.
All right, and noted the support level 16,640. Nimesh, closer to around the 100 EMA on the Nifty, 16,700. But what about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
Hi Nigel, so the first stock is Axis Bank. A lot of chatter since the large block deal of close to 0.5% equity changing hands. But the overall feedback is it's largely a trade between FI to FI, so not much to read into today's Axis Bank block deal. So that's the first one. Second stock is Dr. Lal PathLabs. Interestingly, this stock this week has relatively outperformed the markets and the peers as well. It's up in today's trade as well. But the feedback is there's going to be a large block deal very soon. A leading private equity investor is looking to sell a large chunk, so could be some bit of pressure going forward. Interestingly, for next series and for the November series, the stock is selling at a deep discount to the current price, so that's something to watch out. The third stock is Indiabulls Real Estate. Again, some bit of buying is back in this particular stock from larger HNIs is what I understand. For Indiabulls Real Estate, the big trigger is going to be the next NCLT hearing on October 7th. If that gets cleared, the merger will go through, and hence a bit of buying is back in this particular stock in today's trade. And the last stock is Asian Paints. Anuj also spoke about it. Of course, it benefits from lower crude prices, but the recent outperformance in the last few days is largely because of buying interest. It looks like some of the long-only funds seems to be accumulating, and hence a bit of outmove in Asian Paints today.
Okay, Nimesh, thanks a lot for that. Financials are really taking a bit of a knock right now.